Everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to do an unboxing from the Mosin crate. I got an email not too long ago actually from Alden over at the Mosin crate, and he had, I guess, got a batch of some older CNR pistols and rifles. He said he got them down in somewhere near Atlanta. Not really sure how he came about them. I'm assuming he bought them from another collector, possibly a dealer or something. I'm not really sure. But anyway, this is one that I acquired with my CNR license. I'll try to put a link in the description or maybe in the video or something. I don't know. If you guys are interested on how to go about getting your CNR license, they're highly useful. Basically, it is a Type 3 FFL that allows you to go out and purchase these firearms that are either deemed of significant historical significance. Wow, that's a double negative. Anyways, historical significance, or firearms that are 50 years old and older. So I subscribe to Alden's newsletter from the Mosin crate. Gosh, I bet it was probably close to a year ago now. And occasionally, you guys know how it works. He'll put out a video either on YouTube or on Rumble, and he'll say, hey, I got these things in, I can't discuss prices, blah, blah, blah. They're going to be available this date, this time. Well, sometimes what he does is he'll send out a newsletter with things that aren't necessarily in his video release. Usually smaller quantity things such as this handful of acquisitions that he got here that he had for sale. So anyway, there were a few in there that I would have liked to have had, but you know how it is with Alden. It's basically first come, first serve. If you're not fast, you're not going to get it. However, I did notice one of the items he had listed, and you're going to see the screenshot up here in the top left, was a Chilean Mauser. This is a 1912-61 model. These are the ones that were rechambered into the 7.62 Nato caliber. And this one in particular he had for sale for $449. Now, if you know anything about those rifles, you know that typically those rifles are, let's see, what's the best way to put it? The receivers are usually finished in the white. I did notice that this one was not finished in the white. I don't know the reason behind that. I don't know if the owner did that or what. There wasn't a lot of information to go off of. It may be matching, it may not be matching. I have no idea. But it looked pretty decent from the photos and the video that Alden did. So I was like, let's pull the trigger on it. And I ordered it. I was actually fast enough to get it. So without further ado, let's open it up and let's check it out and see what we have. So without further ado, because I know I talk a very long time, oftentimes. And if this is the first time for you guys to be watching a video like this, with a CNR license, the Type 3 FFL, you can buy a CNR firearm and have it shipped directly to your door because you have a federal firearms license. And as such, you can buy stuff like this, which I think is just super cool. Looks like he taped it up really good. He taped the bolts separately. Let's see if we can cut this out of here without destroying all my bubble wrap. I do like to retain my bubble wrap in case I need to wrap this thing back up. As you can see, my razor knife is quite dull. Need to replace the blade. Okay, let's get this out of here. And Alden was very fast to ship these out. I know when he sells them, he gets rid of them quickly. So that's pretty nice. You're not waiting a super long time to get your stuff. Only issue is it's always ship signature required, so you better make plans to be home to sign for it. That's the only caveat that I will add. Forget it, let's just tear that off. Bubble wrap's not playing nice. Let's check this bolt out. I'm curious. That's interesting. Alright. This is a very interesting bolt. Looks like it might have been Parkerized. So let's check out. Sorry, I'm having some issues with my camera here. So this is a Charlie 5927. You can see the Czech cross swords here. I think that's Czech. I don't know. Maybe it's Chilean. There's cross swords here. I'll put pictures in here on this because you just can't see it really well. But the bolt appears to be in like really good shape. So there's a 2.7 right here. I do know the safety flag has a 2.7 on it, so that's a plus. There's two matching numbers so far. Let's get into the rest of this. Let's check out the rifle. I don't know why I thought that was Czech for a second. I don't know what I'm talking about here apparently. Put this tape out of the way. Okay, let's get this unwrapped. You guys can see what I got. More tape. Alright. Well, he didn't skimp on the tape, that's for sure. Oh, there his FFL information. Let's remove that. Actually quite a nice looking rifle. Okay. So you can tell there's a little bit of a discoloration here, and I would assume because somebody Parkerized this, because like I said, these are typically finished in the white. Does it detract from the value some? Probably, but I'm not overly concerned about it. I'll insert pictures in here so you can see this nice, I guess that's the Chilean crest. And you can of course see the 19, well, you guys can't see it, I'll put the picture in, 1912-61, and then you see NATO stamped underneath it, so you know this one's definitely rechambered. Let's see, that's a Bravo 9867. Well, basically it's a mismatched bolt, so I will have to check the headspace on this to make sure, but it's likely okay. Same serial number matches here on that trigger guard / magazine housing, I guess, or foreplate. So that's good. It's got the same cross swords disc here in the rear. I do not see a serial number on the butt plate. There's a 1912. What's left of the crest in the stock there? Let's see. What else can we check? Don't see anything identifiable on the rear sight other than a 19 here and a 19 here. Same cross swords on that front band. Cross swords on that band. And I see these very odd triangles all over the metal here, which I don't know what those are. And if anyone does, please chime in. This one was, of course, it's got M12308, CAI, St. Albans, New York. Let's see. Yeah, somebody definitely Parkerized it, which I'm not upset about that. It does look a little odd. Let's check out the bore on it, and I'll insert a photo of that. Wow, it's got really nice rifling. Looks great. You know, I got no complaints here. It's a little bit of an oddball in terms of matching, but it's probably okay. I mean, I've got a set of 7.62 Nato headspace gauges, and I'll definitely check it just to make sure that it is indeed safe. Oh yeah, that's right. New YouTube policies. Here, let me do this off camera. There's the bolt installed in there. I'm not removing it. YouTube. Wow, that's really smooth. It's very smooth, actually. So it seems as though everything on the bolt matches, and then the main parts of the rifle match. If that makes any sense. Other than the rear sight. I don't know what's going on with the rear sight. But it's a cool looking rifle. I mean, it's a nice, large ring. I think it's a large ring. I don't know. You guys can correct me in the comment section. I don't know. I don't profess to know much about these. These are oddballs to me. But it looks really sweet. Like I said, I got it for $449. Really super fast shipping from Alden over at the Mosin Crate. The nice thing is that receiver serial number does match what's on the stock there. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, I've got no complaints on this. Of course, YouTube, you saw that this was unloaded. I did not chamber any rounds. It is indeed handled in a safe, controlled environment. Let's check the trigger pull. Like any Mauser, it's got a lot of creep, or a lot of play, travel, whatever you want to call it. Ooh. Pretty hard trigger pull. That's okay. I didn't get it for that. One thing I did not check. Yeah, cleaning rod does not match, but that's okay. Wow, that thing is really in there. Man. I'll have fun getting that one out. It's just got some gunk on it. It's not cross-threaded. At least it doesn't appear to be. Yeah, that's screwing in. Oh, that's a plus. Good. So like I said, there is that Steyr model 1912-61 Chilean Mauser. Pretty cool. I like it. I'll have to get me a sling for it now. If you guys know what kind of slings fit it, let me know in the comment section. I'm kind of curious. I've just not done much research into these yet. But like I said, I'll insert photos throughout the video here because I know I'm not doing it justice. So you guys can get a closer look at this, and you guys can maybe school me on some different things about this particular model Mauser. I really do like it. This looks like one that I can have a lot of fun with out plinking. So anyway, just want to thank you guys for tuning in. Like I said, I found out about this through signing up for the Mosin Crates newsletter. You can go out to his website and check that out if you're curious. Oftentimes he does put things out there that he has small quantities of that he's not getting major shipments in, like when he got his Jerichos in, or when he got his Browning high powers in, stuff like that, or when he got those 937s in. So I think it's really cool when he does post stuff like this because not everybody's really paying attention. Everybody sees the YouTube videos, but when this stuff comes out, your chances of getting it are usually quite a bit better, just because it's not such a large audience that that it goes out to. I'm sure it is, but everybody's not always checking their email. So if you're interested, you guys can go out there and sign up for that. That's pretty cool. And as always, guys, thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you for all of your likes, your shares, your comments. Definitely helps out to get my channel out there a little bit more for people that are interested in stuff like this, people that are interested in repairs, refurbishment, just all kinds of cool milsurping and shoot related stuff. Yes, I use that term because I'm a little paranoid right now with the suppression. So anyway, thanks guys for watching, and until next time, you guys have a great day.